Serious concerns tonight about who received federal Paycheck protection loans, who did not, and whether the lifeline was equitable.
5 on your side investigator Sarah Buttison has been tracking PPP loans and has more on who is getting your money.
We now know PPP loans helped out some of Northeast Ohio's most popular attractions, high-powered law firms, and most prestigious private schools. But what we still don't know for sure is how many of those loans helped female and minority-owned businesses.
It was not real clear instructions how you were supposed to do it.
Stevie Swain owns an Ohio consulting firm. She got a Paycheck protection loan, but her minority-owned business only received 30% of what she requested, with no explanation.
Be grateful you got it, but I asked for $24,000, I got $7,000. Okay, well, I guess I left it alone at that.
There's a substantial number of people who did not get what they asked for.
John Ahrensmeyer is the president of Small Business Majority in San Francisco. It published a survey July 1st saying minority-owned businesses were more likely than white businesses to get smaller loans than they requested.
So the way PPP was set up, it was based upon pre-existing relationships with banks and other lending institutions. So those who had solid relationships intended to borrow more money went to the front of the line.
After months of public records requests, the Small Business Administration finally released some data this week detailing who got loans over $150,000. But 75% of the time, race and gender were left out.
I mean, we're talking about a close to $500 billion program here, and there's a real need for the public to understand where the bulk of the money went.
Stevie Swain would also like to learn more about the SBA loan process. She says she wasn't asked to answer demographic questions, but she did have to provide a copy of her driver's license.
What was their determining factor in why they didn't give out what was requested?
The good news, the SBA says it will try to gather more demographic data during the loan forgiveness process. In Cleveland, I'm 5 on your side investigator Sarah Buttison.